Digital marketing is a broad term that encompasses all marketing efforts that use an electronic device or the internet. It involves promoting products or services using various online channels and techniques to connect with customers where they spend much of their time online. Now let's discuss top 12 strategies of digital marketing. Search engine optimization. Optimizing websites and content to improve their visibility in search engine results. The goal is to rank higher in non-paid search results, making it easier for potential customers to find your business online. Content marketing. Creating and distributing valuable, relevant content to attract and engage a target audience. This content can include blog posts, articles, videos, infographics, and more. Social media marketing. Promoting products or services on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. This involves both non-paid and paid campaigns. Email marketing. Using email to communicate with your audience. It's effective for promoting products, nurturing leads, and building customer relationships. Pay-per-click advertising. Running paid advertising campaigns on search engines or social media platforms. Advertisers pay a fee each time their ad is clicked. Video marketing. Creating and sharing video content on platforms like YouTube and social media to engage and inform your audience. Mobile marketing. Optimizing marketing efforts for mobile devices, considering the unique characteristics and usage patterns of smartphones and tablets. Chat marketing. Utilizing messaging apps for customer service, sales, and marketing, such as Facebook Messenger and WhatsApp. Businesses can engage with customers, send updates, and even enable purchasing within messaging apps. Webinars and live video. Hosting webinars or live streaming events to connect with your audience in real time and provide valuable content, engage with viewers, and answer questions. Online public relations. Managing your online reputation and engaging with the online community through various channels, including press releases, news articles, and online reviews. E-commerce marketing. Promoting and selling products or services through online stores, often involving platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Affiliate marketing. Partnering with other businesses or individuals to promote your products or services. Affiliates earn a commission for each sale generated through their marketing efforts. Digital marketing is a dynamic field that continues to evolve as technology and consumer behavior change.